Here's my mostly 3D printed setup for a Michelson interferometer. And I mean, like all the structural bits are 3D printed. Let me zoom in here. And then I'll touch the board. Touch. 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 Two things I learned here were that one, you should use a very solid white surface to reflect off of, or as a screen, because otherwise it's too diffuse to tell that you're actually getting interference patterns. The other one was that it helps to have a lens of some kind. This is from an old pair of glasses. The lens, and it's just sitting right in front of the laser. This helps make it a giant spot instead of a tiny dot. It's a lot harder to tell when it's a tiny dot. We got laser pointer and beam splitter and some mirrors and just this piece of card stock.